Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Tracking scattered storms impacting a good chunk of southern Oregon and northern California. Some of the strongest activity when it comes to storms in northern California. Some heavier rain in here with some of these cells west of Yreka. A lot of lightning as well and some gusty winds. We also have some storms down to the south around the Mount Shasta area. And again, some heavier rain with some of these cells, and they're not moving all that fast, so there could be some localized ponding on some roads. We do have a cell that has now just popped up west of Grants Pass. I don't think we're going to see a lot of activity through Jackson, Josephine County, but it's possible some of these storms could slide in still through this evening. We do have some areas of rain, isolated storms impacting Klamath and Lake counties. The other big story besides the storms is smoke, and we have seen some thicker smoke now work up into the Klamath Falls area. Here's a look at one of the traffic cams, and you can see that haze in the background there. The latest air quality report showing very unhealthy air quality in Klamath Falls, moderate air quality in Chiloquin, Ashland, as well as Yreka, and likely seeing, especially around the Caldwell fire, some greatly reduced air quality and visibility for that matter because of that thick smoke. Winds are pretty gusty with some of these cells gusting up to 35 miles per hour in Lakeview, and we will see some locally strong winds with some of these storms. Also quite a bit of lightning, and there's the concern there for new wildfire starts with how dry and how bad our drought is. So we will be tracking these storms very closely into this evening. Things should start to wind down, especially after 9-10 o'clock. We have a red flag warning in place until 11 p.m. tonight for much of the area. Here's a look at temperatures. Rain-cooled air in Klamath Falls down to 74 now, but it's still 97 in Medford, 99 in Grants Pass, and it's 62 along the coast in Brookings. A heat advisory continues for parts of our area until 8 o'clock tonight, but it's still going to be pretty hot over the next few days. The heat really isn't going anywhere too quick. Tonight, very warm temperatures, 50s and 60s, upper 60s in the Medford area. Tomorrow, we are forecasting another hot one, up to around 100 in Medford, 98 in Yreka, getting up to 90 in Klamath Falls, 60s once again along the coast. Here's Stormcast, still stormy east of the Cascades especially, and even possibly in the Rogue Valley we could have a storm through this evening, but overall things are going to wind down as we get closer to midnight, and then tomorrow we're tracking the potential for more storms, but it's going to be a lot less widespread in southern Oregon, northern California. Here's a look at where we have the best chance for thunderstorms tomorrow. Fairly isolated for most of our region, but northern Klamath and Lake County, we could see a little bit more numerous cells popping up as far as storms are concerned. The heat will stick around. It stays hot through Thursday. Then we will see a little bit of a cool down to end the work week. Temperatures back a little bit closer to average right into this weekend. But the next few days, pretty toasty. Your 7-day forecast for the coast still on the cooler side, 60s and even some 70s through the next 7 days. We should stay rather dry. Northern California, slight chance for a storm tomorrow. Hot and hazy Wednesday and Thursday. Air quality still could be a bit of an issue. The Klamath Basin, hazy the next couple days. The chance for some thunderstorms tomorrow on your Tuesday. The Cascades and Siskiyous also having the threat for a thunderstorm tomorrow and even on Wednesday, especially up towards Crater Lake. But for the Rogue Valley, slight chance of a storm tomorrow. The other big story will be the heat with some more triple-digit temps.